Om Tat Sat. I am Swami Nikhilananda. My humble prostrations to the universal divine energy in the form of Adi Guru Shankaracharya Ji, my worshipful Guru Swami Jyotirmayanand Maharaj, to all sages and saints of this world, and to you divine souls watching this satsang. In today's satsang, we are going to study verse number 20 of the Holy Scripture, Bhaj Govindam. भगवद गीता किंचित धीता गंगा जल लव कणिका पीता सुकृत पियेन मुरारी समर्चा क्रियते तस्य यमेन न चर्चा भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते. In this verse number 20 of Bhaj Govindam, Shankaracharya Ji now guides the average masses, because he fully understands that to get self-realization is a rare occurrence. Not everybody can do that. Not everybody can give up all the attachments of the world process and so on. So he then guides us and says, Bhagavad Gita kinchit dhita. If you have studied even a little of the Bhagavad Gita, even a little, Ganga Jal Lavakanika Pita, if you have sipped even a little sip of the holy Ganges water, Sudritapiyena Murari Samarcha, if you have worshipped God, in this case he says Lord Krishna, Murari, but it's a symbol of any God. If you have thought of God, Kriyate Tasya Yamenana Charcha, you will not have any argument with the Lord of Death at the time of departure. Lord of Death is called Dharmaraj or Yama. So there will be no concern there. So he is guiding us, even if we can take baby steps to that path, that holy path. It's called the royal path. Shankaracharya Ji is bringing this attention to the masses, because everybody can do a little bit of these things. So he's asking, start somewhere. Do not get so intoxicated with this world process that you forget the purpose of your human existence. He understands that people may not be scholars or cannot spend too much time. So he says, just read a little bit of the scripture, even a stanza, a snippet here and there. That is what I'm trying to do in these daily verses, to just give you little doses of satsanga. Because even little bit of satsanga becomes akshay, which means inexhaustible. So every little bit helps. Any step taken in this direction of spirituality is going to help. That is the underlying intention of Shankaracharya Ji. He understands that everybody may not be able to go to holy Ganga to take a bath in the river. So he says, just take a sip if wherever you are. And that's why, according to Sanatana Dharma, when a person is passing away, it is very auspicious to give them Ganga Jal and place the Bhagavad Gita, the holy scripture of the Bhagavad Gita, during their last moments. He says then, even if you cannot do these things, you cannot go to the Ganga river and take a bath, or you don't have these options available, he says, then just take the name of the Lord, put it on your lips, just worship, think of God. And then he says, he's assuring us, Kriyate Tasya Yamena Na Charcha. He says, He assures us if we do these simple things, we will not have to deal with Yama, the Lord of Death, since we did do some spiritual work. So that is the essence of this shloka. Bhagavad Gita teaches us the same thing. If you remember, Lord Krishna says Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam, which means your bhavana, your emotions with which you offer me things are the most important. If you offer me a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or just water, I will accept it with full love, and I will bless you also. So it is important to note here that God is not asking for a lot of material things from us. He's asking us our love and simple things, so the poorest of the person can also afford some water, a little fruit, or a flower, or a leaf even, because these are provided by nature and these also belong to God only, but we offer him these things with our love. God, God, generate, operate, destroy, is God, and he resides in every particle in this universe. He does not expect huge things from us. He understands, and we are part of him only. So we have to do whatever we do with bhavana, which is with devotion and with love. So this is the essence of this scripture. How much mercy and compassion these sages and saints have towards the average worldly people. All we need to then do is to do our little bit to secure our life after death. Om Tat Sat.